Want to activate FaceTime using your phone number on your iPhone? This is useful for making FaceTime calls using your number instead of just your Apple ID. Follow this guide to easily set up and activate FaceTime with your phone number. So, without wasting time, let's get started. Solution 1. Activate FaceTime with phone number. Here's how you can activate FaceTime using your phone number. Open Settings, tap Apple ID, tap Sign In and Security. Now keep in mind to add the number here to set FaceTime with your number. After that, here, I already have number added. Now I'm going back to my main setting. Scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down and tap on FaceTime. Ensure FaceTime is toggled on. Under the You Can Be Reached by FaceTime at section, ensure your phone number is selected and unchecked your Apple ID. This will allow you to activate your FaceTime only with your phone number. Now, in any case, if you see your number keep loading and not showing, then do this quick work. First, restart your iPhone and see if that works or not. If not, try out next process. Solution 2. Sign out and reactivate FaceTime. If your number doesn't show up, try reactivating FaceTime. Open Settings and tap Apple ID. Select Sign Out to disconnect FaceTime from your Apple ID. Wait a few seconds, then sign back in with your Apple ID. Check if your phone number now appears in the You Can Be Reached by FaceTime at section. By following these steps, you can successfully activate FaceTime with your phone number and start making calls. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and stay tuned for the next video.